Soccer DBB number 535, and that is one box of 2014 World Cup Prizm Soccer. Every sport is 2 random teams, 1 good team, 1 not so good teams. Team. We're gonna randomize the list. The dice roll is for both randoms. Here we go. Snake Eyes is reroll 3 times only. First up, the not so good teams. Here we go. 3 times. 1, 2, and last and final time. Good luck. 3. We got Belgium on top, France, Switzerland at the bottom. That is the first one here. And onto the better teams. Good luck. The better teams also 3 times only. Here we go. 1, 2, and final time. Good luck. 3. We got Spain on top, Brazil at the bottom. Here are your teams, guys. Let me quick edit this up. Alright, so Thorpe gets Spain, Devore gets USA and Honduras, J Mendoza Portugal, Devore Germany, Luis gets Argentina, J Mendoza Italy, Devore Colombia, Gary gets Netherlands, Ricky England, Inter Stefan Brazil, Thorpe Belgium, Devore Cameroon combo, J Mendoza Croatia combo, Devore Japan combo, Luis Uruguay, J Mendoza Mexico, Devore gets Ivory Coast, Gary gets Chile combo, Ricky gets Greece combo, and Inter Stefan gets France Switzerland combo. Good luck, everybody. Here we go on the break. 1 box of World Cup Prizm 2014. I thought about doing another case of this, but I'm not sure if enough people are interested in this one. We'll find out how good this box is. Here we go. 2014 World Cup Prizm. Second. Where's Croatia? Croatia is J Mendoza. He has to decide before I start, guys. So. Alright, so no trade on that. Here we go, guys. Good luck. Let's hope we get a sick hit here. Let's start off. We have Netfinders Aguero for Argentina. We got World Cup stars Vincent Kompany for Belgium. We have Prizm Andres Iniesta. We got Guardians as Manuel Neuer, Germany. We have World Cup stars Mario Balotelli. Ooh, no, it's not a goal. It is multi Zuniga. We pulled that 101 in the last case, I think. Zuniga for Colombia. All right, next up we have is that Prizm? No, it's not. Oh, no, it's not. We have nice mascot. That is going to be a random between all teams after the break. Multi Prizm. Got Uruguay team photo. We got Serna for Croatia multi. We have nothing here. We got cup captains Lucas Neal for Australia. Come on, give us an autograph in this, please. We have Netfinders. How about Lionel Messi multi for Argentina? Netfinders. Where's Argentina? Luis. Nice. We got multi Shirkov for Russia. We have Croatia team photo. The cup captains Lugano. We have Rafa Marquez. No autograph so far. Come on. Here's a blue. How about Guardians? Croatia. Numbered to 199. Pletikosa to 199 for Croatia. We got Mascherano for Argentina again. We got Aerial Assault for Tim Cahill in Australia. Dual random is Özil and Cristiano Ronaldo. Random at the end between Germany and Portugal. Oh, it looks. Oh, we got Claudio Bravo red. So no autograph in this one. I'm sorry, guys. Claudio Bravo to 149 for Chile. No auto in this. That sucks. It's tough to hit because I think only every second one was the autograph, right? All right, let's do the random quick. First up, random between. No, first up this one between Germany and. Portugal. Let me switch the screen quick. Give me a second. Germany and Portugal. Özil, Ronaldo. Deluxe. Random is for both. Dice rolls for both randoms. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is Portugal. Going out to Portugal and Cristiano Ronaldo. So Portugal is J. Mendoza. All right, and now the mascot. Also 8 times between all teams. So let me quick copy the team list here. Let's see who we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Chile, Costa Rica, Ecuador, and that is Gary. Gary, you get the mascot. The mascot card. So that's it already for the break, guys. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.